All right, Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. We're gonna have these chords. We have a G chord with those 2 3s down there. We're gonna have an E minor 7 chord that has the 2s over here, keeps those 3s down there. And then we're also gonna have a chord where it's like a A7 suspended 4th. We have the A bass there, 2 0 3 3. So a lot of these double 3s down here in the first part of the song. Okay, we're also gonna have a C with a G bass. Later on, we're gonna have a D with an F sharp bass. And we're gonna have an A minor, kind of uses the E bass a little bit. Okay, so the beginning riff, the first thing you hear is. Okay, so that's a hammer on the A string, open to 2. And then D string, open to 2. Kind of pick them both. Kind of that E bass, and then we're gonna strum. Down, up, down. Okay, so we got down, up, down. And then we go G string open down here. 3rd string to the 2 open on the D string there. So it's now this time we're gonna have the 3 up here, this G note leading into these. G string again, open, 2 open on the D. Now this time on this chord, the second time, we're gonna have to go a little quicker and go 2 0 2 0. That was D string and then A string. So once again through it, it's like G string. We'll do that again. Now this time we gotta go 2 0 2 0, and that's that A7 suspended. So we got 2 0 2 0. We're gonna do the 2 0 2 0 2 0 again. Now we're to the end of this thing. We're gonna go open 2 open on the A, G chord. Okay, so it holds that G for a while and then back into the riff. And at this point we have that acoustic solo that starts. So let's check that out. We got that's our first thing. So the other riff goes, and as soon as it hits that note, you come in with this. So that's 2 to 4 on the G, to the 3 on the B string, and that was 5 to 4 on the G, back to 3 on the B. So and then we're gonna go. So that's 4 2 0 double pull off to D string. You got a quick slide, 1 to 2 on the A, and then 2 D notes. And then the other guitar goes. Okay, so let's review that. So the other guitar goes. Now the second line on the solo is. Okay, so it's the bottom 3s. To the 5s and back, and that's 2 and 3 on the G and B strings, to the opens on there. So we got 2 and 3 up to 4 and 5, to the opens, quick slide up here, and then so we got a quick slide down, and actually you can hit that 5 and 4, which is the same notes as the open and open down here, but if you hit them down over here, you get vibrato them a little bit. So we got. Okay, and then the other guitar. So let's check that one out. We got. So we want 2 to 4, and then the 3 back to the 4, to the 5. So this one starts bent and comes down. Go back to that 4 and the 3. Okay, so that was a bend on that 4. 3, 5, bend again to the 2. So let's take a look at the solo again. We got. So see that 4, we bend, 3, 5, bend again. Last riff. So that was a bend up, down, and pull off. To the 2. We'll bend on that 4 back to the 2. Got your G. Now we got verse C with the G bass. D with the F sharp bass. A minor with the E bass. G. Now we're going to go to D first. C with the G bass. A minor, E bass. G. Go back into all that stuff. G. Now this time we got 2 open to the A. Do that one again. Then we got that hammer. Back to C. D with F sharp. A minor, G, D, C, A minor, G. Now this one goes to another verse. These are basically all the parts there. You got your D first this time. C. A minor. G. And like live, you'll hear ends like that. All right, wish you were here, Pink Floyd. I'll have a tab with this. Thanks a lot. See you soon.